Hi everyone. So in this video we will see how we will create our own AI assignment assistant, a smart tool which will connect with our GCR and fetch assignments automatically and generate the response from ChatGPT using ChatGPT API key. So everything is automated and no, we don't worry about deadlines and all that stuff because our assistant automatically generates the response from ChatGPT and send our notification using email or even WhatsApp. So we have always notified about our assignments, and so without wasting time. And one thing which is important, you don't require any coding skills. No heavily coding skill required. Everything I will provide you for myself. So without wasting time, let's see a quick overview of our app. Um, our app, you will see this is the dashboard screen. Here all the assignments, upcoming assignments are shown. It's a overview. In progress screen you will see your pending and also completed assignment. You can mark an assignment will complete. For the purpose of this screen is to make record for your assignments and all that stuff. This is detailed assignment screen on which you see the detailed description of your assignments. Here is your assignment description, your AI response, quick overview of the response. If you like, then go copy the file and as it is upload on GCR, your work is done. This is notification screen where all your notifications are shown, which he send you to your email. You can select channel on which channel you can receive. You will want to receive email. In settings screen you will set all that things. Here you will set your name, your ID, your email address on which you receive email. You can here set your channel, email, WhatsApp and both, test notification, preference, theme preference, and here are some social media links. These are my social media links, so go and follow all that links so that you can receive all my latest video about AI assistant and data analysis on Google Excel dashboard and all that stuff. Okay, so without wasted time, come to our today task, which is how to create, setup and all that things for our AI assignment assistant project. So open this my community link, you will see in description. Come to my community. Here you will see detailed installation guide, my GitHub repository and all other details, get support. You can contact me for any query. Here my services which I offer, you will see in detail. So we will come to our tasks. Okay, here home. In home screen, click here view installation guide. At first step, Google Classroom API integration. Click on here Google Cloud Console and you will come here, create a new project. Select a project, new project. Name whichever you want. Sample AI assistant. Okay, create no organization. It will take a few seconds. Creating project, click here. First select a project, sample AI system. Click here API and services, enable API and services. Enable, we have to enable our Google API service. For that we can use our Google API for GCR for accessing Google Classroom. Okay, so go to our API and services at library, search for Google Classroom API. Click here and enable. Why it is lagging so much? Wait, I think so it is lagging bit because of video, so I will stop my video. Okay, so here we will enable our GCR API. So the next thing is to configure auth consent. So click here, auth consent screen, which will authenticate, use for authentication. Get started. App info name. I will name it same sample assistant. User support. Here you will add your email as it is. Click external so that when you access externally, so it will not restrict us. Contact. Mm, and continue. Create. Okay. Now add scopes. Here in audience test user. First add test user. Add here your GCR account email for your organization email, your university or a college email. So my GCR account email is, say, so after adding test user, click here and come to our auth consent screen. Now we have to add our scopes which are required for fetching assignment from Google Classroom and all the related detail. Click on data access, add or remove scope. Here come to our community again and copy the scopes one by one and paste here. Select this one, update, select this one, select and copy, select, update, left only, control C and add. This one is not available, so we have to do manually. So manually add it first into the table and then now search here, select and update. So as you see, all your 4 scopes are here, one here and all that 3 here. I think so we are missing something. Yeah, here we have have to add one more scope related to email or class on profile.email. This one, click here and update. This is our sensitive scope. This is restricted and okay, save all the changes. So now we have to create our credential.json file. For that, navigate to create credentials, click on the three dots and come to API and services and credential. Okay, now click here create credentials and for auth client ID, application type desktop app, create, copy this ID because this is shown only one time, and download your JSON file also, copy, and that is okay. I will also took a screenshot. Okay, now come here to our community. All the steps we are completed and we have created our JSON credentials.json. Now we have to test either it will work or not. So for that, come to our VS Code. First create a new folder. Name it which you want. I name it as sample assistant. Here I will copy this file, Control X, and paste it in folder. Rename it credentials. Now go to CMD. And type code dot. Now you will come to VS Code. Close all things. Here we will come. You can see your credentials.json file. All are okay. Now the next thing is we have to test it. So come to the community. First copy this sample code. Create a file. Fetch assignments.py and paste it here. Control S. All our scopes are added already. Credentials.json and everything is okay. Now we have to install some dependencies. Okay, and paste it here. It will take few seconds to install all the dependencies. So as you see, our dependencies are installed. Now we have to test this using run this script. Go here and type Python, and here you will add your file name, fetch assignments.py, enter. Click on account, continue, enable all permissions, continue, and okay, close it. Come to there, and this is my assignment, AI assistant testing, which is he fetch successfully. So our setup is almost complete. Now we don't need this file anymore. Delete this file. Auto recycle. Okay, now come to community. Close this also, we don't need now. Click here. Now the next step is to enable OpenAI key. So follow this step. No difficult steps. Go to OpenAI key. No, I will tell you also these steps. Sign up for OpenAI API key. Continue with Google. Add your all the information and then create new secret key and copy it and save it to some safe place and where you will remember this key. So go ahead and create this API key. I have already created, so I don't need to do that thing again. So the next step is to save this API key as a system environment variable. So for that, uh, system environment variables. Here you will see OpenAI key added. What you do? You have to do like this: create a new, then in variable name add OpenAI API key, and in variable value add your key which you generated. Okay, so add this key in your variable value and here your variable name. Click on OK and OK. So your API key is now saved as system variable, so which is a safe method. If you save it in your code directly like this, so this is not a safe method. Hacker easily hacks it. So do this thing which I tell you. And for the next step, download this project from GitHub. Click here, GitHub repository. Here click on code and download zip file. Downloads, extract all browse. Oh, extract. Now you will see your folder is downloaded. So next thing you have to do is open one more folder which we created. Sample assistant. Okay, so drag all that file to this folder. I think it will take some time. Okay, drag all that file. Now come to the VS Code again. First, I will review all that files, credentials and token, and that is CMD. Okay, so here you will see all the code. Okay, so the next step is to install the required dependencies. Come to my community, close all the folders, come to my community and drag here and dependencies. Click on dependencies. Download all the dependencies which I have tell you. Copy this first line. Here. It will take few seconds, so we have also copied this one. Now type cd backend, paste this one, and it will also install. Copy this one and pm and xuse and this. Now cd dot cd frontend and install all the dependencies. It will install it one by one. So all our dependencies are installed and it will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes. Now type npm install. Make sure one thing, you have a download Python already in your system. If you don't have Python, first go and download Python and save it as a system variable. Okay, so make sure check Python version from cmd, because this is our next step, so this is important. Python minus version p minus version. So this is my version, I have to copy this. Okay, so all our dependencies are installed. So next step is to we add already add credential.json, OpenAI key. Hope it's working. So first you have to come to this automation part. So what is the purpose of this step? So using task scheduler, we have to schedule our file. We set our file to run every 5 minutes or every 10 minutes or 15 minutes, so that our file continuously running, so that if a new assignment coming in our GCR, so it will recognize that assignment and generate the response and notify us. So this thing is very important. So what you have to do is we have to go to task scheduler. Here we have to schedule our task. So now click on create basic task, name whichever you want, sample, assistant, no need for description, next, daily, next, okay, next, random program, finish. Now here you have to add your Python path. See this, see user, here is your name, app data, local program Python, and here you will add your version. Accept all that things, only change this your version and your name. Okay, then add argument. In argument we have to add our file name as assignments.py and start in optional. Here we have to add our path, and our path will be come to a folder, copy paths and paste it here. So this is our path. Remove the file name. No, that's it. Click on next. Okay, finish, trigger, action, open up, okay, finish. Here we have to set up some things. Click run with highest privileges and trigger daily at 5:34 and action conditions. Stop your computer, switch to battery, start the task only if computer is on, check it. Settings, enable all that settings. And the task left, okay, task stop the task if it runs longer than 3 minutes. 1 hour. And control conditions started up on the computer is idle and actions. Click here, trigger. Repeat tasks for every 5 minutes, 10 minutes. We will select 5 minutes and for a duration of indefinite. Stop all learning tasks at end of repetition during and so task will run. Okay. Okay. Now this thing is work. If you want to have a task delete automatically after it runs, you must add at least one trigger that has an expression. Okay. Setting tab, uncheck this option and click on OK. Now our issue is resolved. Okay. So one more thing we have to change in task scheduler, which is starting time. Change the starting time to 10 a.m. so that our task would trigger all the day continuously. So click here and trigger. Here, change the time to 10. Okay. Okay. Now close it. And we almost done all the necessary parts. So now try to run our app and let's see is any other break or not. CD backend and we have to run Python app.py. How you run it? Type cd frontend, then npm run that. Follow this localhost link and here we go. Here, here our app is successfully run. Okay, fine. Okay, now create 3 folders. Assignment files, assignments. Okay, so why we create this folder? Assignment files contain our assignment file, document, PDF, whichever our teacher upload. Assignment create .json and in .json there are multiple related info of our assignments are saved here and generated responses save our ChatGPT generated response. So once we have to check either it work or not, delete this token.json and we have credential.json. Okay, so open a terminal and type python fetch assignments.py. Okay, select continue, close it. Now fine. What if the error failed to save assignment when error a question question? So the error says that we have not enabled Google Drive API yet. So we have to enable it. Come to Chrome, type Google Drive console. Here we will go to our account, Google Drive console account. Now wait a while. Okay. Click here, enable APIs and services. plus enable API and service, add enable API and services. Type here Google Drive API and enable it. Okay, it will take few seconds. Okay, it will enable. Fine. Now again run it. That's it. Now it will run. Consent to OpenAI and it will generate a response. Finally, okay, no problem. We have to save email. First, we have to check either it's save response or not. Okay, fine. So the assignment is successfully created. To complete this, I will have to create a genetic algorithm and target and okay, all that stuff. Fine. Now the almost we have completed all that stuff. Come to email notifier. Here you have to set email. For that, we have to first create app password so that it will automatically access our Gmail account and send us email. For generating app password, come to your Chrome and type my account google.com/app passwords. Here you can type your app name, Gmail, and click on create. Copy your password. Done. Back to your email notifier. Paste password here. Replace your email with your real email. So come to config.json and replace this email with your receiving email. Okay, now everything is done. We have to retest it. Delete this fetch ID and also this assignment.json. Okay, now again run it and test it. Okay, we have received email successfully. So we have to final test our app one more time. For this, first we have to run our backend. And then run frontend, cd frontend npm run right. Follow this link. Okay, so our app is running successfully. We see our details here, assignment details, view AI responses, progress, our notifications, and our settings tab. Everything is done. Now, one last step is remaining, which is an optional step. And step is that we have to wrap this app in .exe file. So for this, I will make another video in future, how to wrap your file in .exe format, or you have to deploy it in a Chrome as a website. You have both options. So we skip this step for future because this video is already so long. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and one last thing I want to say is that I will make one more video on Google Classroom Assistant, but this time this is a complete tutorial with one more functionality, and functionality is that our assistant will upload our assignment also. Like first our assistant download our assignment, then generate response from GPT, then it will recheck our assignment and then upload it to Google Classroom, and we and inform us that he done all the things. So we don't need to do anything manually. Everything our assistant is done. Thank you for watching in this tutorial. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel and also press bell icon for notification of new videos, and comment below any query related to this video. Thank you.